So in this video I'm going to show you how I took a big game rod and turned it into reflective for night fishing by using reflective tape. I'm going to do it on another rod that's not a big game rod. These rods are not expensive, so I don't see any risk in adding this tape to these rods, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So I bought this reflective tape from Amazon. You get 5 rolls. I think it was like $8. One roll is enough to do a rod that's probably at least, I know it's enough to do an 8-foot rod. I've already did red and green. I'm gonna do one in yellow, and I'll probably do one in the blue and the white. But right now I'm gonna do this roughneck rod and this yellow. I'm gonna get this started. I already used a couple pieces of this for a tip, but I ended up doing the whole rod, and this whole rod's in this one color. I didn't want to just do the tip. So I'm just gonna start down here at the bottom. I'm gonna try to make it a short video, but pretty much it's gonna be me just wrapping this rod in this reflective tape. The first wrap's gonna be completely, just one wrap completely all the way around. And then as I get right here, I'm gonna start curling it, overlapping it at a diagonal. Now I'm gonna sit here and do this whole rod like this. It's probably gonna take a while, but I think it's gonna look pretty good when I'm done. The other ones look And then when I get up here to where this eye is, I'm just going to wrap it like I did the bottom, right on top of each other. Then I'm going to cut it. And then before I stick that end down, because I noticed on my other ones that the little ends was wanting to not stick, so I'm gonna stick some Permatex super glue right in there. I about blew my finger to it. And then I'm gonna do the next. So here's what I got so far. I'm gonna hop up here and do this section, and I'm gonna keep doing it until I get done. Let's just rinse and repeat. Well, that's all done. I think it looks pretty good. I guess after it gets dark. After it gets dark, I'll shine the light on them and maybe it'll show up good on the camera. I don't know how long. I don't know if this is gonna last for like a long time. I haven't actually tried it yet. I haven't hooked up fish with that stuff on there, so I don't know if it'll eventually come off, or I don't know what the longevity part of it's going to be, but we're going to try it for $8, and you can do 5 rods. It's pretty hard to beat. And also, like, if you got big game rods, after a while they'll turn like a, when you buy them they're white, but they'll turn like a cream color and they just look dingy, and that's one reason I wanted to do that. Anyway, that's it for the video. Unless I come back out here after it gets dark, I'll see you on the next one.